Solving quadratic equation graphically. Example 1. Solve the equation x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0 graphically. Then check your answer. So to solve this equation graphically, we must construct a table, and we will start from getting the vertex of this curve. So solution. First we will find the x coordinate of the vertex. X equals negative b over 2a, which equal, here in this equation its standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x. Here, what is the coefficient of x squared? So a equals 1. What is the coefficient of x? What is the value of b? Also b equals 1. What is the absolute term? Absolute term here is 6. So c equals negative 6. And I'll use a and b to determine the vertex, the x coordinate of the vertex. So I'll substitute b equals 1, negative 1 over 2 multiply 1, which equal negative half. So x coordinate equals negative half. X coordinate equals negative half. So I'll construct a table putting x coordinate in the middle like this. Here we have x and y. Draw this. In the middle we put x coordinate of the vertex. X coordinate of the vertex equals negative half. So we write x and y and do complete drawing the table, and I'll choose some values to x, some integers greater than negative half. We write 0, 1 and 2, 3, 4, less than negative half, we choose negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. Now we can use calculator to complete the table. Mode, here is the table, so we press 7. I write the function f of x, it is x squared, so we write x power 2 plus x minus 6 equals f of x equals x squared equals, start from negative 4 and end at 4. Now when x equals negative 4, f of x equals 6, so I write 6 and we determine the y coordinate of the vertex. So we calculate f of negative half, which equal negative half power 2 plus half plus negative half minus 6. Again we use calculator to write the function again, x power 2 plus x minus 6. Now calculate for x equals negative half, negative 1 over 2. The result equals negative 25 over 4, which equal negative 6.25. Negative 6.25. Now we will draw a curve to represent this table, and from the table we notice that the curve intersects x-axis at 2 points, negative 3 here, negative 3 and 2. So you can say that solution set equals negative 3 and 2. Now how to check this solution? First, we can solve this equation algebraically by factorization. So I'll write it again. X squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. Here, x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. And we factorize it into two brackets, into two factors. X squared equals x multiply x. Negative 6 equals positive 3 multiply negative 2. Then put x plus 3 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. So x equals negative 3 and x equals 2. So solution set equals negative 3 and 2. And also we can check the solution substituting x equals negative 3 and x equals 2 like this. We put x equals negative 3, so we have negative 3 power 2 plus negative 3 minus 6, and we calculated negative 3 power 2 equals positive 9 minus 3 minus 6, it is negative 9. So the result equals 0, which equal the right hand side in the equation. So negative 3 is a solution. Also we can check with respect to 2 like this. In the same equation here we substitute x equals 2. So we have 2 square plus 2 minus 6. This is left hand side, okay? So it is equal 2 square, which equal 4 plus 2 minus 6. The result equals 6 minus 6, which equals 0, equals right hand side. So also 2 is a solution. Okay. Example 2, represent the relation y equals x squared minus 4 graphically. Then find from the graph the solution set of the equation x squared minus 4 equals 0. And if y equals f of x, then show that f is a function and determine its domain and its range. Now we have y equals x squared minus 4. Also we will start from the vertex. we will calculate the x coordinate of the vertex. X coordinate of the vertex equals negative b over 2a. In this equation, what is the coefficient of x square? It is a and equals 1. What is the coefficient of x? There is no x, so b equals 0, and c, it is the absolute term, which equal negative 4. So x equals negative b, negative 0. Okay, as b equals 0 over 2 multiply 1 as a equals 1. So the result equals negative 0 over 2, which equal 0. So x coordinate equals 0. Now y coordinate equals f of 0. F of 0 equals 0 power 2 minus 4, which equal 0, minus 4, which equal negative 4. So I'll construct a table to draw the curve of this function to get the solution set. And we'll start from here to construct this table. X and y. Start from the vertex. We put the coordinates of the vertex at the middle of the table, 0 and negative 4, and we complete the table choosing some integers on the right of the number 0 and on its left. So I write 1, 2, 3, 4, and here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. And now back to the calculator to complete this table. First we write the equation. We change the mode. Here is the 7 table minus 4 equals the other. Here we'll start from negative 4 and the end of the table at 4, and then when x equals negative 4, f of x equals 12. So we write 12 and then we'll draw the curve intersect x-axis at 2 points, negative 2 and 2. So solution set equals negative 2 and 2. Back to the question again. Then show that f is a function. Of course f is a function because we have the function here y equals x squared minus 4. For every one value to x, we have one value to y. When we substitute x equals negative 4, we get only 12. When you substitute x equals negative 3, so y equals 5. So f is a function. For every value to x, we have only one value in y. So the relation is a function. Its domain, the domain equals R. R is the set of real numbers because it is polynomial. Okay, and also the range equals R, the set of real numbers because it is polynomial.